First project is a project that we're doing on Ballinger Lane. That project starts at Rio and extends to Mexico Gravel. What we intend to do is add 6-foot shoulders along the existing roadway. With that widening, it provides safety for the motorists and adds space on the roads for pedestrians and bicyclists. The next project is a roundabout we're proposing at Green Meadows and it's a partial dual lane roundabout. It'll have dual lanes on form with a single lane back to Green Meadows. Currently it's a congested intersection, confusing for the motorists. The roundabout will be a safety enhancement, and so it'll provide connection points for pedestrians, space on the road for bikes. A third project that's on the Nifong corridor. It's at the intersection of Old Mill Creek and Country Wood, and we're proposing to put a roundabout at the four-way stop. And it's designed for future widening should the Nifong extend to 4-lane. We're going to build a 2-lane section, and it should help with congestion. It's a highly congested intersection at peak time hours, and also provide pedestrian facilities that don't currently exist. And that should get started sometime later this summer. Fifth project we've got is a trail project that we're using non-motorized grant that we received from Federal Highway. It's a connection from Bluffdale Drive to Rollins Road across the Hinkson Creek. It's a connection that's critical to our bikeway and pedestrian master plan. In conjunction with that, it's a connection to a Parks and Rec plan that'll go over to Stadium Boulevard. So we will cross the Hinkson Creek 3 times with 3 bridges. It draws in a connection point for the university students and faculty that doesn't exist now. It's an enhancement that should really save a lot of time for motorists. Currently, we have a project under construction. It's called the Carter Lane Sidewalk. It was a project that we applied for and got enhancement grants from MoDOT. It's a sidewalk on the east side of Carter Lane. It connects up to the connection point where the outer roadway is on Providence Road. And with that, we're going to install a bus stop. And so this is a heavily used pedestrian corridor that currently people are walking in the street. So this is a real nice enhancement for those pedestrians to access that corridor. We're doing sidewalk projects on Lynn Street, Oak Street, and Sexton Street. It's in conjunction with a housing development. They have sidewalk gaps, and some of the streets do not have a sidewalk. So we are going to install those sidewalks to help those housing units have connectivity to the existing system in that area and enhance pedestrian movement with this project.